Hey guys, it is Taylor from Spearmint Slimes. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making Spearmint Bubblegum. This slime will be in my next restock. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. So first I added in my Elmer's school glue. I added in about like a half of a gallon probably. And just put it in there. After that, I just put in some regular shaving foam that I got from Walmart for like 98 cents. And then I like to put in a little bit of dish soap. It does not matter which one you use. And then I put in usually about 5 pumps of hand soap. I might have done more. No, I did 5. And it doesn't matter where it's from. And if you were making this also, I would recommend using a mint scent so that you don't have a weird, like, say that you use like orange, you don't have like a minty orange scent at the end. And then you just mix that all together. And then you add your like minty green kind of paint. I just got mine at Walmart from the Craftin', whatever that aisle's called. And then the most important thing about slime is your borax. So then you just activate your beautiful slime until it fully comes together. And then I put in my spearmint scent, and it doesn't matter which brand you use. I just use this brand because, yeah. And then I put in my mix of foam beads, which is a bunch of white with a little bit of green. And the white foam beads from Michael's I use, and they're actually really nice and cheap. And there you have it, the jumbo slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to go follow my Instagram. Bye.